Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to listen to your recorder on your iPhone. So you will have either a USB-C to USB adapter or Lightning to USB adapter, depending if you have an iPhone 15 or lower. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in the adapter into the phone. Second step would be to connect the recorder to the adapter. After that, we're going to look for the Files folder. The Files folder will be able to hold all of the information that's on your USB drive, okay? And if we are successful with it, you should see a name that pops up there after some time. It's going to be called Untitled. Untitled will give the ability in order to you to read the file. That is what the USB drive is named after. If for some reason it doesn't read it originally the first time, you are more than welcome to remove the USB drive and place it once again into the phone. We're patiently waiting for the unit to be read by the device in order for us to proceed. As you can see, we were very patient, and it says Untitled right there under Acrobat. We're going to select it. We're going to go to Record, and this is where going to be all of your audio files. All of your audio files will be able to be here, and you will be able to read them right on your iPhone. You can press play to listen to the recording. After that, you understand that you're going to be able to see that here you can move forward and back depending on where the audio is at. Record, which will save you a lot of time. This is continuous recording. The next thing that I want to explain is that you can delete off of here. You can hold down the file button and delete the folders. So you can either share it or you can either delete it. As you can see, the iPhone gives you many options in order what to do. You can copy, move it, share it, or delete it. We're going to be deleting all three files right now. And this is the video tutorial on how to use the USB recorder on an iPhone.